Hi Asad, this is Biplav speaking, and this is my daily checklist video. Today I open my work at 9 in the morning, and firstly I open my email account and check out about the beta team and also rental channel. I looked on the beta team that there is a video of from Shujanin. I watch that video and follow that their instruction and add the KGG as the instruction. So then I go to my regular work. It was golden crest, and today I am researching on Amazon product. I got some product and set it on my channel. Please check out over here. And also you send some instruction about new hire people and send a video. I watch that and I try to understand. We are discussing about that, and if when the new hired people will be hired, then we will set up all the information as your instruction. Okay, then I also follow watch your video to send a mail for BRK. I already sent to them as your instructor template. So if I got their mail tomorrow maybe, and then I will work on BRK tomorrow. So that's all of my today's work. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.